How's it going, everybody? Today I'm gonna tell you what is Flare and Songbird network is all about. Flare is a direct competitor to Ethereum, smart contracts, NFTs, etc. Songbird is open systems and people will build things with them that we haven't thought of yet. But being able to have smart contracts for layer ones that don't have them. The state connector, the decentralized built on Oracle, and EVM, Ethereum Virtual Machine, that works much faster than on Ethereum, being able to trade various L1s on a DEX. Decentralized governance all open up a lot of potential. This is the best network for smart contracts because fees are super cheap per transaction, secure, very fast, and uses almost no energy. It's great for paying transaction fees, FTSO, vote, delegation, minting F assets, use in apps being built on the network like Flare Finance and Trustline. The simple fact that a Songbird Flare wallet will be able to hold anything BP20, ERC20, XRPL is a game changer, and you will be rewarded for bringing on those assets. The real power wrapped Songbird is that it utilizes a detachable voting function for the FTSO and governance functions of the network. This also means that users can deploy the wrapped Songbird token in a DeFi protocols or elsewhere while simultaneously voting in governance and earning inflationary rewards in Songbird on a weekly basis through FTSO delegations to signal providers. Matt Rossendin of Trustline recently announced that they will be launching their decentralized stablecoin protocol Probity on the Songbird network sometime in October. Probity has a similar design to MakerDAO in that it takes collateral from suppliers and borrowers to mint and issue stablecoins. On Songbird network, it would be expected that wrapped Songbird will be the collateral of choice. Once live on Flare network, Probity will feature FLR and XRP as premium collateral. Additionally, Aurea, stablecoin of Probity, can be issued on the XRP ledger with the Flare and Songbird networks at the decentralized counterparty. This is just an amazing network. Take care, guys.